Rstudio has become Posit. Let's discover this new change involving Rstudio as a new platform renamed Posit. We will see a new web page called Posit.co where you can find the new features with Rstudio and why now it has renamed Posit. We will discover what are the goals of the new companies and what are these new characteristics. Among them, we are gonna embrace R and Python. We will boost the use of Python in this console. As Hadley Wickham has said, this is not about moving forward to Python, but embracing the Python community. Then, where we will see this new change? Remember that in previous years we were using rstudio.com. You can still use this webpage, however, it's gonna redirect you to posit.co. Here in rstudio.com, you can find the older version of Rstudio. And once you're here in posit.co, you can download Rstudio as well, and you can discover new features. For example, you can see new additions. We're going to discover Quarto for using R and Python in developing new reports, as well as Shiny, use it with Python. In this YouTube channel, we will discover more about Posit.com in future episodes. Rstudio is now Posit. See you next.